welcome back. Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And I'm really excited today to make one of my favorite holiday, I guess I'd call it an appetizer, I don't know. But my mother made it every Thanksgiving, every Christmas, and that's usually the only times a year we had it. Not sure why. And then as she got older and didn't want to host all the families, my cousin would have us, and she'd make this every year. But since being keto, I haven't had this, and I'm so excited today to try this because a few weeks ago I made keto maraschino cherries, and I haven't tasted them yet, but I'm really excited to. And this is cream cheese, maraschino cherries, and walnuts. And you put it on celery, and the celery is light and juicy and makes it all so good. And I'm just so excited to make this today because I haven't had it in like 12 or 13 years. So I have, I'm making a small batch because I love this so much. I'll just eat it. I don't even need it with celery. I'll just eat it. So this is 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened. Hopefully it's softened enough. And just, mix it around, get it really soft. And to that, we're going to add some chopped maraschino cherries. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I made them a few weeks ago and haven't tried them yet. So here goes. So you want to chop up, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll start with 6 maraschino cherries. And you want to chop them into small pieces. This might not be enough, but we'll start. And that's like sometimes with this, I will give you how much I'm using, but just eyeball it. Do what you all like, what fits for you. So we'll add these cherries and some cherry juice, some juice from the maraschino cherries. So we're just going to add, that's 1 tablespoon. We'll add 2 tablespoons. And those aren't measuring tablespoons, those are just tablespoons. And the juice should help make it a little softer to mix in. It's going to be a nice red color. Because maraschino cherries, all they are is sugar. It's complete sugar. And so to this I'm adding 18 grams of chopped walnuts. Again, I'm guessing it this amount because normally I don't measure. I just put in the amount that looks right. But this all looks good. Mix it all in well. I had thought about whipping the cream cheese before adding the cherries. My mother just mixed it with a spoon. And I'm like, well, if I was making a whole batch, like 8 ounces, I would probably use my hand mixer to fluff up the cream cheese a little more. But it's very doable just with a spoon. And you can see it's all mixed in now. Oh, I'm telling you, I am so excited to try this. So then you just take celery stick. This is how we eat it anyway. And you fill the celery stick with the cream cheese mixture. And maybe we only had it around Christmas because it's red. But I cannot wait to try this. Oh, I love this. The crunch of the walnuts, the sweetness of the cherries with the cream cheese. Oh, I'm in heaven. And you can hear the crunch of the celery. I don't even know what to call this. All I know, it's delicious. It's absolutely amazing. Try this for your holiday.